Now in this video, we're going to be looking at something we didn't check out in the last video around Auth, and that is how would you handle server-side authentication, such as like redirecting without actually hitting the client side initially in order to maybe redirect to the login page. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull up the code that we had yesterday. And then we are basically going to transform this page right here, which is currently a client-side rendered page. So if I refresh right here, I run yarn dev and I refresh the page, you'll see that even if I'm not signed in, the page renders. Now that's fine for client-side application, but what if you wanted this to basically never show this page and just redirect from it if you're not actually signed in? One of the things we can do is we can change our use session to a get session. So let me go ahead and do that right now. So we do get session here, and then instead of doing this inside of here, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to come down here, and with next, of course, you can do the async function for get server side props. So we can say get server side props. And then we are basically going to be using, so context generally gets passed in here, which it actually has a request that you can grab out of it. And we're just going to be basically do the same thing that we did before up top, except for we're going to go ahead and await this, and we're going to say get session. And then we're going to pass in that request there. And then of course, we're just going to need to return back the props. So I'm going to say return props, and then we're going to return back that session. And of course, that comes in here as session. So we can actually just pass it in there. And if we see this, we're good. Everything's working as it was before. If I sign in with GitHub, it'll be redirected. We'll have that session information in there. And so if we like console.log this out, we can say, let's see what the session is right now. And so if I refresh this page, you'll see that down here I have my name, my email, my avatar, as well as the access token and any expiration for that token. All right, that's awesome. So how would we handle redirecting in this case? Well, one of the nice things that Next gives you is we can do if there isn't a session, so if like for some reason I'm not logged in, we can just basically return back a redirect. So we'll say redirect here, and then basically we want to do a destination. So where are we redirecting to? Now, one of the things that we know is that there is a API auth endpoint that we need to hit. So basically this right here, API auth sign-in to redirect to. And then we just want to make sure that this is not a permanent redirect, because it's actually just going to be just a regular redirect. So if I hit save here, we'll see that everything's working. I can go ahead and refresh this page. But if I sign out and I try to go to that page, it instantly redirects me to the sign-in. So now we have blocked the user from seeing the content of this page unless they're truly signed in, and we have like a server-side rendered auth. So that's basically it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions, leave them down below, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.